Sketch the region corresponding to the statement, the probability that z is greater than 0.4. In this tool, I have the ability to drag this arrow and select the z-score, and the area underneath the normal distribution will be shaded for me. So 0.4, but the z-score, we're looking for values that are greater than 0.4, so those would be values to the right. You can drop down here and choose areas to the left, to the right, between two values, or outside two values. Here we want the area to the right. So the area to the right of 0.4 is shaded here. Next, we need to actually compute what that shaded region is. And it's close to half of the distribution's area, but we don't know for certain what it would be without the use of the calculator to help us. So second and vars, bringing up the distributions menu, come down to normal CDF, and it takes two inputs to start with, and those inputs are always a lower bound for a shaded region and an upper bound for a shaded region. The lower bound for my shaded region now is 0.4. The upper bound is positive infinity. It looks like it stops at 4, but it doesn't. It goes on forever. And you can represent infinity in a lot of ways, but one way that's fairly easy to do is to use second and the comma, which brings up an e, and then put 99. So this means 1 times 10 to the 99th power, which is very large. You can also give it two additional inputs for a mean and standard deviation, but if you're on a standard normal distribution where the mean is 0 and the standard deviation is 1, that's not necessary. It will default to that. 0.3446 is the area under the curve.